Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Bhukatur. So aji ami review karim a well-known place that is Yanqing, which is famous for their ramen noodles. So ahok video to arambho koru. So first talking about the packing. Apnaloke sabo parise guys, ma duta bostu order korichilu, that is momos and devil's ramen. Devil's ramen which has a lot of broth. Apnaloke dekhise packing or karone leakage ekku hua nai, so big thumbs up for that. Apnaloke loi gole ekku risk nai. And the momos guys came in the usual aluminum containers, which pretty much all the restaurants use, which is good, but I prefer something better than that because chances are ki thela asat olop man crumble up hoi jabo pare. So guys, that is the price as you can see on screen. So ahok ami lahaile bostu khini khuli sao. So that is the momos guys, they look quite good and they tasted good also. We'll come to that later in a bit. And this is the devil's ramen guys, which is their signature dish I would say, because they are famous for that. Look at this, koni eta ase, chicken ase, hakor pad ase, aru the noodles. So coming to the taste guys, so let me talk about the momos. The momos were guys the usual flavored ones, I mean the ones with ginger and garlic and chicken, so which is the classic momo flavor, and the chutney was also great. So overall the momos were good, I mean nothing special guys, but average asil but tasty asil. So apnaloke khale enjoy koribo, aru main kotha hol juicy asil bahut. Video to iman bhalke mai dekhabo par nai, but apnaloke sabo parise dhuniya shine ase. So this is the feeling guys, as you can see at it all of oil ooze out hoye ase. So like I said, it was very juicy. Our chutney to basi hot nasil, basi sour nasil. It was a mild good chutney which went really well with the momos. Overall guys, the momos did not disappoint me, and it's a big thumbs up for anyone willing to try momos at their place. And price point wise guys, I think it's fine because they look a palaketa piece diye. So yes, it's okay. So the soup did not come along with the momos. I don't know, they do serve soup in the restaurant I guess, but order duite nahil. So it's fine, more soup nakhao, but kisuman manu ase dine soup to bahut preference diye. So I think it will be better jodi teoloke packing korile soup to di diye logot. Now coming to the ramen noodles guys, as you guys can see, it looks really yum, but the thing is guys, it does not taste that yum, in the sense that devil's ramen simply feels like Maggi which has been dipped with a few sauces and spices. I mean, don't get me wrong guys, moi Japanat go to ramen for hubida poa nai, but I don't think authentic ramen should be tasting like this. I mean, the broth, I have seen it in videos, they prepared it differently. My disappointment one, it was really tasty, but my expectations were really high since I mean it's the hype of the town for so long, like the devil's ramens from Yanqing. So it's okay guys, but all up or better hobo paile hai, because it's like just plain Maggi, like I said, with a different spice blend or something like that. So it's okay, apnaloke try kori bhal pabo for the price point. Like I think it's a 1 or 2 time deal, and then after that you will quickly get over the taste because it's nothing special or new. Again, that does not mean ki beya lagi se khai. It was really tasty, but I just expected a bit more from Yanqing since it is so well known. Before I end the video, I would just like to say a few things about Yanqing. That is, their momos were really great and their ramen was also very good. I mean, my ekdam beya puana. It's just that I expected more from Yanqing because devil's ramen seems to be their signature dish. Nonetheless guys, it's highly recommended, so you guys should definitely order from them. So if you enjoyed this video, then please hit that like button, and if you want to see more such videos, then please hit that subscribe button. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, stay hungry and be Bhukatur.